Hello everyone, welcome to TryRide, the new era of learning. Myself Rafiq. Today we're discussing about natural language processing on text analysis. Okay, so what is text analysis? We all know that text analysis is a process of automatically examining and processing text data to extract valuable insight, right? Valuable information or valuable insights. Like it's common technique used from machine learning and staticals like statistics, right? Okay. So in based on NLP, we can say natural language processing for text analysis is a subfield of artificial intelligence and heuristic that focuses on the interaction between the computers and the human languages, right? From text analysis significance, applications of NLP aims to extract meaningful insight from the large volume of unstructured text data, right? In this blog, we will explore key NLP techniques used for text analysis along with Python examples showcasing the implements and outputs, right? So, what is the understanding of interpreted and the generation languages of one of the key applications of NLP is text analysis, right? Which involves extracting meaningful information from the written text. So, it's text pre-processing. Before analysis, the raw text must clean it before applying any NLP techniques. It is assigned essential to pre-process the text data to make it more suitable for analysis. Text pre-processing involves a series of steps to clean, normalize, and transform the raw text into a structured format. So let's explore some extensive text pre-processing techniques like tokenization, uh, stopword removal, streaming and limitization, and lowercase and removing special characters. Okay. So we know that tokenization is splitting text into the word sentence, right? We all know that about it. So streaming and limitization is reducing words to the root from like it's using present tense, past and future tense like that. So stopword removal is used for removing common words like the is, this, the, and like that the. So lowercase is nothing but it converting all text into the lowercase. Okay. So, tokenizer. So, let's come to the parts of tokenizer. So, tokenizer is a process of breaking down a text into smaller units, such as words or sentence. It enables the model to understand the structure of the text, right? It is the first step is most in NLP tasks. So, here's the code. We are dividing the NLP language processing to extracting the studies. So, we take the word and we send tokenized text like words and sentence. We assign the download plunk. Words is natural language processing. We assign the text as natural language processing, even extracting field of study. So from the tokenizer, it's divided the if the sentence we can look at the sentence is natural language processing is an extracting field of study. But in the words, it applies the tokenizer. It divides the sentence natural language processing is and like that. Stopword removal. Stopword removal are common words like an, a and the, is, like etc. Which does not contribute much to the meaning of the sentence. Like removing stop words can help reduce noise in the data and improve the efficiency of subsequent NLP tasks. Like if you divide, we already said that the removing common words, okay, like the, is, and so it removing the sentence. So future in the natural languaging process, we have the sentence. So we can see here the natural language process is and so it removes the is and like that from the is and of like removing from the field. It gives a only it presents the symmetric words like unsymmetric words would be removed. So streaming and limitation. Streaming and limitation or the technique used is to reduce the words to the base or root. From streaming removes uh, specific words while limitation maps words to the dictionary. From both processing aim on infinite unifies variants of the we can say unified variants of the same word and reduce dimensionality, right? For this we know it reduces the words to the root from the like if you have example running it takes only run, right? It remove the root variable like we have the natural, it is natural like half of the word. Language it is the age like removed. Like processing it moves the ing. Excited like it remove feel like that. Studying like it remove the ing like it removes the sentence of the tokenizer, right? So lowercase and removing special characters, converting all text to the lowercase and helps standardize the data as a capitalization may not carry additionally meanings in some context. Removing special characters like punctuations and symbols can further clean the text. Like we have the punctuation marks or commas are in the text. So if the A to from the small, it converts from the capital A to the lowercase. So then it clean the words of the commas and pull stops. So what is the difference between AI text analysis and the natural language processing, right? So in that we can say AI text analysis and the AI natural language processing NLP are two terms. They are commonly used for interchangeability, but they are for few important distinctions. Like AI text is the procedure of the studying and interpreting text of discover to the discover meaningful information. Right, it may involve the use of computers or manual methods. But in natural NLP processing, it is one of the subfield of AI. It involves creating algorithms to comprehend, interpret, and process the human language. Algorithm for the natural language processing are utilized to analyze the text for the language translation, voice recognition applications. So in it, we use text classification, information extraction, like we can use text instrumentalization, machine translation. We use the tools. So in the text classification, it is an assigning the categories of text like spam versus not spam, news category like that. Assigning things. So text classification is the process of categorizing the text into a group of words by using NLP. Text classification can automatically analyze the text and then assign a set of predefined tags or category based on the context. Right. NLP is used to segment sentiment analysis, topic detection, and language detection. There is no mainly three text classification approaches like rule-based system, machine-based system, and hybrid-based system, which is used to translate. Okay, so it's a models which we discuss about now. So language detection and machine, what is language detection? Is language detection is a like all type of call search engine. We can say if you search anything anywhere, it returns something like us. So if the user asks any question to the search engine, uh, we it implement our language. Like if you I ask in Telugu, I want my language, so it detects it speech recognize in all languages. What language you want, it consider the language. Like if the search any the result will returns on the users. If we ask like a language detection container, like with English speech to text like Chinese, it in French, we as the additional language detection. If you speak any of the language, it automatically if I speak in Telugu, so the language machine automatically detects the language. If I speak in Hindi, it automatically detects that it is a language. It text converts into the Hindi. Like that, if we chance, we can convert the text. We speak in Hindi, it convert by in English. Like also we can do with the machine. So, spell checking and the grammar correction. So, it is the most important concept we use text analysis. Spell checking, it is a grammar, we said on grammar corrections. So, here see we all applied something for I am excited to announce I am a no food critic. It will be visiting restaurant. I will be visiting restaurants and reviewing dishes, sharing the instance of with readers. So, it is some little bit grammar check. So, instead of that, it found a proper review from the food. I am thrilled to announce that I am a food critic. I am hungry to sample cuisines from the all corners of the globally and dish like that. It used some. It adds some extra grammar in that. Corrects up. It adds some punctuations and extra spiciness in the grammar. So it speaks. It sounds like oh, it's cool. Like that, you can recheck the grammar. If any spelling mistakes, it will be cover it. And text generation. Text generation with transformation. Text generation is nothing but if you want to give as input any text, I text generation is nothing but if you in simple words I said that if you're chatting with someone else, like in WhatsApp or in Telegram or Instagram, if you're texting someone to someone like today tomorrow I want to go somewhere, the place name like that. So you just enter the text like tomorrow I am like you stop the text, automatically the text will generated going went to like that in the upper of the text box it will be show some names like I am going I am like you mentioned going went from where like that some generator some future words like that. So it is text generation, it is useful for in chatting will transfer communicating with other persons, right? It predicts the next word. So in the form of text summarization. Text summarization, nothing but if you have a read an article. So in that article, we have some the effective general information, right? It compares the abstractive summarization and extractive summarization. Like in that video, we take some output like the meaningful information. Text summarization method it analyzes the text of the article. It removes some particular information like executive summary and generated summary. Like if the meaning related small, it's identify the overall part of the summary. Like it divides into the groups like efficient to extractive summary, generated summary. If you want heavy information about the article, it gives the overall summary. Like if you want a few lines of summary, it gets the few lines of summary. Like meaningful, it enters the meaningful information in generated summary, right? It generated by AI. Okay. If you ask extractive summary means you're reading some like example we are asking when you're building in some resumes or CV, we enter our previous resume or we enter your previous any article. We want to check out the article summary, right? We are frequently asked the summary of the article. It presents its own way of the summary like that. It uses similarization. And text parsing. Text parsing is nothing but it is a sentence which pronunciation divides like Tom ate an apple, like Tom ate an apple. From the starting words, it starts from the sentence. First, it divides from the noun and verb phrase. Like that, each like it like behaves like a decision tree. Okay, it behaves like a, some tree based. So overall, up to the end of the parts, up to here we have only Tom ate an apple. Like we said, uh, Tom went to the play. Tom went to the USA. Like Tom buy a new car of Honda. Like that new car of Benz. Like that we can use some any words. Tom eat an apple. Tom went for the restaurant with his friends. Like that we use any sentence. So it represent the it actions like noun phrase, noun or pronoun verb adjective like that. It determines the text parsing and speech to the text. We all know consider we can use the Google, Siri, and anything search engines. We use to translate our text like we are speaking and it automatically generating a text to us. Like we have in chat options, we have a mic symbol if you have any inconvenience with chat or text. So text, at the time we speak on the text, it automatically generate the text, right? What we speak by the process of NLP. What we are speaking in our slang, it understanding the machine will take the request and it understand and it represent the response in text to you. So like the NLP concept where work in the text analysis. So overall, the conclusion, we come to the conclusion. So conclusion that the text analysis and AI natural language processing are essential to the obtaining instance of from textual information, right? Both are same working on same concepts, right? But they are serve different purposes. NLP concretes on the computerized analysis and the compression of the human speech, written or spoken. Text analysis, on the other side, other hands, it processes the extracting meaningful patterns from the unstructured data and then transforming them into a actionable business plans, right? Together, they are offer an understanding of the content of the text. Thus, integration enables advanced software which makes it essential to the industry such as healthcare and the market in intelligence, right? Uh, I hope your guys all understand about the what is text analysis in the NLP. So thank you all of you.